I'm constantly thinking of designs. That's what I live with. It's not just a job to me. It's not just work. I breathe design. Nature is the best designer. When I find a beautiful log or when I find a beautiful root piece, I sit and watch it. I touch the piece because the piece speaks to me. There is always a story. The color of the piece, the shape of the root, the shape of the slab gives me different ideas. Then I add my vision. This comes from New York City's architectural lines. Renzo Piano's building, or you look at Frank Gehry's building, or the Chrysler Tower, you see this architectural detail. Sharp angles, refined shapes. So I mix it together. Then I combine nature with this very architectural base. I mix my own alloy, solid metal, polished brass. There's a perfect harmony. The wood has this masculine feeling to it, and the bases have this feminine feeling to it. They're both beautiful, they're both equal. What I'm trying to do is revive this modern, add today's design to it, and mix it together. That creates the new modern.